Hello beautiful people, so today I'm going to be trying this African Pride aloe and coconut water pre-poo. Now let's get started with this video. To start off, I really like how this aloe and coconut water pre-poo feels like. It really feels like gel. That already helped me feel like home, feel like I'm using a real aloe vera gel from a real plant. So this is what I like so far. Now I'm going to apply it on my daughter's hair. It's wash day and I need to pre-poo her hair before I wash her hair. So I'm going to add this Moist Miracle on her hair. As you guys can see the difference between the part where I already put this pre-poo and the part when I didn't put the pre-poo. You could see how it's really soft on the part when I put the pre-poo. As you can see, her hair feels much more softer and manageable by adding this Moisture Miracle aloe and coconut water. I usually use coconut oil and aloe vera gel as DIY to detangle her hair. So when I find this pre-poo, I was like, I need to try it. And to be honest, so far, I love it. It feels just like a DIY that I usually do. One thing I will say is that I had to add a lot for her hair to actually start feeling a little softer. But again, my daughter has a lot of hair, so I still love it anyways, even though I had to use a lot. I definitely will be using this on the days that I don't feel like making my own DIY. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content, and why not share this video with your friend, family, or anyone you know. If you're not allergic to aloe vera gel and coconut water, I suggest that you try this and let me know in the comment below when you try it, how do you like it. As you can see, her curls are popping out, her hair is nice and soft, manageable, well detangled. So I really love this product. This video is not sponsored. I love this product, so I decided just to share with you guys. Now I'm gonna twist this part of the hair. Now that I'm done putting all over her hair, I will put a plastic cap over her hair and blow dry her hair to help open up her follicle. I believe the instructions say to leave it on for about 15 minutes, but I left it for about 30 minutes or so because I was busy. But her hair still feels soft, still manageable. Now I'm just going to continue with my regular wash day routine. First, I'm going to rinse out her hair very well before I start putting shampoo on her hair. As I was shampooing her hair, I was still feeling the gel on her hair, so I was wondering maybe I put too much of this pre-poo on her hair, but her hair was still feeling soft as I was shampooing her hair.